Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, this is going to be an interesting video. The grand unboxing. I found a complete Lionel set on eBay for $5, including the transformer. I was the only bidder on this. So I just want to do a quick video of the grand unboxing and see what we actually got here. So, the boxes seem better today, that's for sure. So, like I said, this is going to be interesting. I was the only bidder on this. So, just unbox it. There's the transformer. Alright, let's see what we have here. Starting on the outside and working our way down. We have a nickel plate 8-wheel tender. All wrapped in tissue. There's the locomotive. Lionel 8140 in fair condition. Really stiff. This has not moved in years and years. Now this is dated approximately 1971. So I put a $5 bid on this, and surprisingly I was the only one that bid on it. Gondola. Wow. Really nice caboose. So complete 5-piece set, including the transformer. $5. Really difficult to beat that. And a flat car. Alright, so $5. You just simply cannot beat the price. Why I was the only bidder, I have no idea at all. Let me put a couple of drops of oil on this locomotive. Now this has obviously been sitting for years and years. Let's see if we can get some oil down in this. Can't reach much on a Lionel engine or locomotive. So before we go any further, let's see if it will run. Alright, power is on. We'll put it on the third rail and see what happens. And it doesn't move at all. Well, this thing is really tight. So I'm going to have to pull this out of here and get it lubed and broken loose. Like I said, this has been sitting for years, no doubt. Haha. Well, it's trying to run. That's always a good sign. Now it's just a matter of, let's scrape these terminals a bit. Like I said, this has been sitting for a long time. It's surprising, however, that no one else bid on this. The transformer by itself is worth more than I paid for the entire set. And this is covered in oxide. Let's see if that did anything for us. It's really dry. And the headlight works. Alright, so obviously it runs. Now it's just a matter of getting it running well and getting it lubed. And the entire thing needs to be oiled, and all of it is really, really crispy feeling. But you have to admit, for $5, you simply cannot beat the price. So the entire set, including the transformer, which is really surprising, $5 on eBay. So, not a bad looking set. So I got my work cut out for me today. I've got to get this broken loose, and hopefully we'll have this running. I think it's just going to take a few drops of oil. I'm thinking it, right? Yep. It's going to take a few drops of oil to get this running. But in any case, I just want to do a quick video on this. As you can see, the locomotive is in decent shape. There's no damage to any of this. It's just been stored for years and years and years. So the Lionel 8140, nickel plate road tender, flat car, gondola, really nice caboose, all nickel plate road, of course. Anyway, it was definitely worth the $5. And of course, I got the transformer with it. So I'll test the transformer once I get the locomotive running well. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. eBay, $5 for the entire set. And a few drops of oil and a bit of judicious cleaning. And I think this is going to be a really great set. Of course, this is a basic Lionel starter set, but even so, $5 for the entire thing, including the transformer. Really difficult to beat that. So I just want to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email. BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.